Hello everyone, and welcome back to our SecurityX course. In this lesson, we'll delve into three main areas: industry standards, security and reporting frameworks, and privacy regulations. First, let's discuss industry standards, which provide established guidelines and best practices for securing information systems within specific industries. Payment card industry. Data security standard is a set of requirements designed to ensure that all companies that process, store, or transmit credit card information maintain a secure environment. Compliance with PCI DSS helps protect cardholder data from breaches and fraud, and it mandates regular assessments and continuous monitoring to uphold security standards. Digital Markets Act. The Digital Markets Act, or DMA, is a regulatory framework aimed at ensuring fair competition and preventing anti-competitive practices in the digital marketplace. While not exclusively an information security standard, DMA compliance requires robust security measures to protect user data and ensure transparency in digital services, thereby influencing how organizations approach their security strategies. Next, let's explore security and reporting frameworks, which provide structured approaches for managing and reporting on an organization's security posture. System and Organization Controls 2. SOC2 is a framework for managing data based on 5 trust service criteria: security, availability, processing integrity, confidentiality, and privacy. SOC2 compliance is crucial for service providers that handle customer data, as it demonstrates a commitment to maintaining stringent security practices. Center for Internet Security. Center for Internet Security controls are a set of best practices designed to stop the most pervasive and dangerous cyber attacks. CIS controls provide actionable steps to improve an organization's cybersecurity posture, focusing on areas like inventory management, continuous vulnerability management, and controlled use of administrative privileges. Lastly, let's examine privacy regulations, which govern how organizations collect, process, and protect personal data. The General Data Protection Regulation is a stringent data protection law in the European Union that sets guidelines for the collection and processing of personal information. GDPR compliance requires organizations to implement comprehensive data protection measures, conduct regular impact assessments, and ensure data subject rights are respected, thereby influencing the design of privacy-centric security strategies. The California Consumer Privacy Act grants California residents new rights regarding their personal information and imposes various data protection duties on certain businesses. Compliance with CCPA involves enhancing data security measures, improving data governance practices, and ensuring transparency in data handling processes. The General Data Protection Law is Brazil's data protection regulation that mirrors many aspects of GDPR, focusing on the protection of personal data and the rights of individuals. Organizations complying with LGPD must implement robust data protection measures similar to GDPR, ensuring that personal data is processed lawfully, transparently, and securely. The Children's Online Privacy Act imposes requirements on online services and websites directed at children under 13 years of age. COPPA compliance involves implementing stringent data collection, usage, and protection measures to safeguard children's personal information, thereby shaping security strategies to prioritize the protection of vulnerable user groups. In summary, compliance significantly influences and shapes an organization's information security strategies. Thank you for joining us today, and see you next time.